I need to talk about something that has left me furious, frustrated, and completely disappointed. If you're a developer like me, you need to hear this because it could save you a ton of wasted time and effort. I recently tried to upgrade my Firebase project, the Blaze plan which every developer eventually needs to scale their apps. Sounds simple, right? Just create a Google Cloud billing account and your payment method and done. But nope, instead I hit this ridiculous error. ORBECR236. This card cannot be used for recurring payments. Now here's the kicker. I used a Visa debit card. The same card that works perfectly for my other recurring payments, right? Like ChatGPT subscription. So I contacted my bank and guess what? This told me this. There's nothing wrong with my card. Recurring payments approved and everything's working as it should. And then Google Cloud Support drops this bombshell. We don't accept cards with two-factor authentication. Like, excuse me, are you serious? Let me explain this for anyone who doesn't know two-factor authentication security standard. It's not optional. It's required. It's literally there to protect us from scammers and fraud. I even asked my bank, and you know what happened? They laughed. Yes, they laughed and said, "Why would you remove your two-factor authentication? That's like leaving your front door wide open for scammers." And they're right. Removing two-factor authentication is impossible because it's necessary for my security. Now, here's what makes this even worse. If you're from Philippines like me, you're out of luck. Every credit card, every debit card in this country, heck, in most of the world has two-factor authentication. That's the proper banking practice. So basically, Google Cloud is telling me that every developer in my country, sorry, you can't use our services because you have secure cards. Like, what the? What? Google is supposed to be one of the biggest tech companies in the world. A company that powers the future of internet, but they can't even figure out how to handle cards with two-factor authentication. Like, come on, Google, that's really really pathetic. This is not just problem, this is a problem for every developer in the Philippines and potentially in other countries too. Imagine working hard on your app thinking you're ready to scale only to hit a wall just Google can't handle secure payment methods. Like now I have to redo the entire backend of my app just to move away from their services. Hours of work wasted. Not just hours of work, it's months of work. It's really really wasted. And you know what? I'll make sure to tell every developer, like every developer here in my community, that do not use Google services because you can't use